YouTube, Eric DIY with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Motorola Verve Buds 500. So I've been searching for new Bluetooth headphones, and I specifically wanted ones that were wireless for each earbud. I have reviewed Bluetooth headsets in the past, and I've used them while jogging, while viewing videos, while in bed on my cell phone, stuff like that. But I really wanted a more modern pair that didn't have any type of cables. It was just directly into there. And I heard a really good thing about these Motorola Verve Buds 500, so I wanted to get a pair. Let's see what's in the box. Inside the box, we have the Verve Buds themselves right here. You have a carrying case, which also doubles as a charger. It has a micro USB thing there. And we'll open it up, and the earbuds will actually charge right in that little chamber there. So we'll be charging those soon. They also give you a variety of different size earbuds to fit any type of ear configuration, I guess you'd call it, that you need. They have extra small, small, large, and extra large. Also had this drop out here when I took the charging part out, and it says explore 20,000 plus Alexa skills, and has a QR code for Android and iOS. It comes with a small micro USB charging cord, and it has the manual in this bag with everything else. So that is what's in the box. It has these two little ports here for charging, and it already has these stuck on there, these little ear pieces. I guess this would be the medium size, and that's what they put on there in default. Each earbud also has either L for left, R for right, so you're definitely not going to get the wrong ear on the wrong side for stereo. Just some quick features of the Motorola Verve Buds 500. It has dual mic technology so that you can make calls through the headphones. It has instant automatic connection to the device, and you can use either bud as a mono Bluetooth headset. And it says that it has 20,000 plus Alexa skills. It's Amazon Alexa enabled on the headset. It works with Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Has full control on either bud. Designed for a secure fit and all-day comfort. Has up to 9 hours of playtime with the charging case, 3 hours per charge, and it's Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so it's really new technology. On this side, they show you some of the Alexa skills. It says you can order takeout, you can provide information that you're looking for, you can manage your calendar, and you can request a ride if you're into Uber and stuff like that. I am not, but there's thousands of more skills. The manuals, they have a general information manual, and they have a quick start guide. When you first get these, you're going to have to probably charge them, but they did turn on. The power on button is right on the bottom of each headset. It's right on the bottom. You just push that down until it turns on. Same thing on the left. And you also have to pair them, but to charge them, they just go in this case, which seems to have a battery in it. So that's kind of cool that you don't have to just charge it. It actually has a battery that you could charge it with inside. So this isn't even plugged into micro USB yet, but you just put them right in there. It's magnetic, and it goes right to where it belongs. And as you can see, it has red lights on them to show you that they're charging. So we're going to leave them in there. Probably plug it in to make sure that the battery stays fresh, and we'll charge them before we use them. I've had the chance to try these Verve Bud 500s out for a couple days now, and actually they are excellent. When you open the carrying case, they instantly turn on and connect to a Bluetooth device that you already connected it to. To pair the Verve Buds, they come with this quick start guide, which is very easy to follow. You can just go right with the picture. It says pairing, ensure both buds are inside the charging case with the lid closed, which they are. 2, you're gonna open up the case, and it's going to turn them on and go into pairing mode, and you're going to go to your Bluetooth on whatever device you want to connect to. I connect to my cell phone, and it's going to pair new device, and it'll search out the devices, and right there it says Verve Buds 500, so we click on that and it pairs. There's a left and right. I'm going to pull them out of the case. Okay, it says active and 100% battery. Basically, when it pairs, it'll search for the other earbud. You can use it as a mono bud too as well, just by turning one of these off and leaving the other one on. And the power on switch, you just hold down either one of these buttons on the bottom. This is the basically multifunction one button right there. You just hold it down and it'll turn off whatever bud you don't want to use, or it'll pair both. So that's how it works on pairing. When you're done with your earbuds, all you have to do to turn them off, you could just put them back in the case and just close the lid, and it automatically turns them off, and they'll charge with whatever little power is left in the charging case. But you can just plug it in and get a full charge. As far as the Verve Buds staying in your ears when you're exercising, we'll test that with Zach here. I have already tested that myself, but just to prove it to you, we'll do it live. So Zach, start jumping. And as you can see, they're not falling out of his ears. And this is a small child. You just have to make sure that you select the right ear bud socket things here that fit your ears, and everything is fine. As far as music quality, these are top notch. Usually when I have wireless Bluetooth headphones, I always have to go to the equalizer, and they're either too bassy or anything like that. That's why I did all these tests. I even tried to EQ the Motorola Verve Buds, but honestly they didn't need it. I was doing things a lot worse than what they really needed to be. So the Verve Buds themselves, just leave them alone. You won't need to EQ them or anything to get a good sound, and I should know because I've been trained as a professional musician. But anyways, Zach's going to test them. He's going to put them in his ears, and he's going to give us a thumbs up or down compared to what he hears. So let's see what he thinks. Here we go. Listening to a little Van Halen Jump. They sound great? Yeah? Really good? All right, just checking. All right, so as you can see, Zach gives it a thumbs up, but I'm gonna give a recording from the Verve Buds the best way I can. I'm gonna take a little digital recorder, and we're gonna try recording the sound from each earbud on each side of the digital recorder, and hopefully I can give you a little audio sound sample. All right, so we have the audio recorder recording. We have Zach as audio quality engineer over there, and we're gonna attempt to record the audio coming out of the Verve Buds. So here we go. And as you can see, the audio is really good, and there's no EQ on that or anything. So you can also control many things with the Verve Buds 500 with the multifunction button on each of these. You click it once and it'll start playing your selection. And if you click it once more time, it will pause from playing just like that. If you double click, it'll go to the next track. And you keep doing that until you find the track you want. To go backwards, you're gonna triple click. And it goes backwards in your playlist. So that's how the multifunction buttons work. They can also accept phone calls if someone calls you. We have our music, which we'll be playing. And to our other side, we'll have Zach, who's gonna call the cell phone when I tell him to. When I tell you to, you're gonna push that green button, bud, okay?
All right.
All right. So first we're gonna get the music playing. All right, and then all of a sudden, someone calls. Push the green button, bud. Oh, and it says someone's there. Just click to accept. And the microphone is right in the earbuds. Hello, Zach. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
You can hear me. So see, talking to the earbuds, you can hear them. And then to hang up, you just push the button again. And it'll hang up the phone call and go right back to your music. So in the quick start guide, they teach you everything about the multifunction button. You can actually do a lot of things with Alexa on this. As it said on the box, you can do up to 20,000 plus Alexa skills, and that comes from the Motorola Verve Life app, which I've already downloaded. Download that app, and then you select what Verve Bud you have, and then it'll connect to Alexa services. What you'll do is you'll use your phone, and you can ask Alexa any command through the earbud. So I'm gonna put this in my ear right now. And I'm gonna push to talk to Alexa. Alexa, what is the weather like today? And now I know that you didn't hear any of that. That's because it goes right to the earbud. So you can actually use Alexa while you're on the app, and it'll make everything go to the earbuds. So it has like an Alexa service just on the Verve Buds themselves. That also means that if you use Amazon as your music, you can actually stream music from your Amazon Alexa app to the headphones directly through this, which is an awesome thing. So the Motorola Verve Buds 500 are excellent. Audio quality is top notch. I did not have to EQ anything when listening to music, unlike all the other Bluetooth headphones I've ever used. They sound great. The recording that you heard earlier, honestly, it makes a big difference when you have them in your ears, because then the bass response is greater. So if it sounded just a little bit tinny, it doesn't sound like that when they're in your ears, because your ears actually close off, make the low frequencies come out more. And the addition of the Alexa compatibility, you can actually use the Amazon service through the headphones, and it works great. Are they very comfortable, by the way? Because I found them to be extremely comfortable with the removable ear gel links there. They're easy to swap out. I do highly recommend the Motorola Verve Buds 500. I think they're well worth it. I've always bought cheaper ones, and they definitely do not hold up to the quality of the Motorola Verve Buds 500. If you'd like to purchase the Motorola Verve Buds 500, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And while you're down there, push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.